Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix the battery drain in your OPPO Find X9. So at first we have to unlock our phone and go here straight to the main home screen. And what I do recommend to do now, is to go straight to the settings. Here, go straight to the battery, and we have to now detect the applications that are top in the battery usage by up here. Here, if you do have some TikTok, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, or any application you don't recognize, and this is not system application, like for example phone booster, crystal booster, anything like that, or optimizer, phone optimizer, that's not system application, you have to do something about that. Of course, if you want to keep TikTok, etc., don't worry about that. I want to show you how to fix the battery drain, and the TikTok, the Messenger are sometimes the applications that we have to limit. So what we have to do now, go back and remember these applications you want to restrict. Here go to apps, tap app management, and find exact application in the list. So for example, for me it's Amazon Shopping. Just have it in mind, bear that in mind, that this is only a false application, like fake application. I have never used this application on this phone. This is just bloatware. Tap here battery usage, and now as you can see we have something called auto background activity, smart mode, which is recommended by phone, and restrict background activity. I know that here we do have something called recommended, this label recommended, but what I do recommend actually is to have restrict background activity. And okay, I know that for you it may be not that good, especially when you limit TikTok or Instagram or any other application that you use daily, on a daily basis, but this restricts the background activity. So for example, if you are on the Android like that now, and here you do have this Messenger pop-ups of the notifications with the profile picture, you will it's the worst thing you can enable on the Messenger, because it eats your battery very much. If you don't really care about the notifications, don't really care about, for example from TikTok, don't really care about being very 100% on the daily usage, and you don't really want to get along with notifications, and you don't really want to be in real time, you can enable the restriction. Wait a moment, because my phone went off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do recommend to have it turned off. Actually, here the restricted background activity. Apart from that, you can search the app library, which is over here, and now in the app library you can uninstall the bloatware. What is bloatware? These are pre-installed applications, like for example games, uses applications from the system we don't want on our phone, that use our battery, use our storage, and are just here. These are completely useless applications, like for example this previously mentioned Amazon Shopping. To do so, to uninstall this bloatware, hold your finger on each application and tap uninstall, uninstall. Go further, and for example I don't really need the application Timo. I don't know why it's there, but yeah. Hold a finger on it, tap uninstall, uninstall. I don't want TikTok. Hold your finger on it, uninstall, uninstall. Hold your finger on YouTube Music, uninstall, uninstall. Hold your finger, for example, on the Spotify. Of course you can use Spotify, but let's just think that it's the bloatware. Uninstall, uninstall. It's like that. You may have here some games, like for example indie games or something like that. It's just sponsored bloatware that every single producer introduces in your phone, and it's here no matter if you have agreed on it or not. Apart from that, what I do recommend is to install one third-party application that's not phone optimizer, of course. Tap Play Store, go into search, and here in the search, search for AccuBattery. Here, AccuBattery, and this is this application. Here, tap Install, and wait a moment. Now, tap Open, and now let me explain this something to you about this application. Tap here, as you can see, you have to now plug your phone into the charger, etc. Do everything that here you are prompted to do so. Now our battery is calibrating, but what I want you to do, have your phone and use your phone just on a daily basis, like you would use your phone, and plug in the charger, etc., etc. Just use your phone. After a week, for example, after maybe a few days, here in the health, you will see your battery health. Apart from that, tap charging. Here, as you can see, we have something called bloatware, discharging. If you do see here some errors, or the temperature, high temperature, battery usage, something around here, voltage, something around here, or even here, battery current, maybe about here, it's something is wrong about your battery. So, charge your phone having the application without any limitations in the background. So tap here, tap manage notifications, all notifications, go back, permissions. Here, as you can see, tap on the, wait a moment, where was that? It was on the battery usage, and tap allow background activity and allow, and have it like that. After a week, check if you do have here some errors about your battery, and if you do have some errors, go to the certified authorized company service, or even the warranty, and just leave your phone there and have it fixed. You can detect any error, any battery damage in your phone straight from here. I mean, I do recommend the week, 1 week of using your phone normally, is because here the health you'll have your real health here. So design capacity, you can enter your design capacity over here, but you'll have it automatically saved after a few charges, and you'll be good to go then. You can monitor your battery switch from here, and as I said, detect any red. It will be red. It will be labeled as red. You'll see the error or something like that in your phone. Report it, and you will have it fixed. Now we can exit that, and what I do recommend now is to restart your phone. To do so, hold the volume up and power button, but wait a moment. And here, if you click it, but let me exit the AI. If you click these buttons, switch to restart and restart your phone. This will restart any single modules, every single sensors, etc. in your phone, and make it optimized. And after the restart, if you do have here the battery drain, even though you have fixed this battery, and even though if you do have the if you do have installed the AccuBattery and nothing's wrong here, but you feel that something's wrong, go to the authorized company service, because you may have some overheating issues or just damaged battery, and they will replace the battery, they will fix your phone. Maybe you'll pay some for the process of diagnosis and replacement, but when you have the warranty and when you go to the authorized company service, you won't pay for that, and they will replace every single damaged thing on your phone, and you'll have your phone like brand new. And I hope that I explained to you everything very well. If you do like this video, please leave a like under this video, leave a comment, leave your opinion, because the feedback is very welcome in this channel. And actually, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video about OPPO Find X9. Goodbye!